Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by making the essential checks, then start the update immediately. First, confirm your iPhone supports iOS 15. 0 and plug it into power if battery is below 50%. Back up to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if anything fails. Make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and clear at least 5 GB of storage. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to fetch iOS 15. 0 and tap Download and install. Once the download starts, watch the progress and be patient. Large updates often take 20 to 45 minutes depending on your connection. When prompted, read and accept the terms, enter your passcode to authorize the install, and allow the device to restart automatically. This is normal. If you chose to update via a computer, open Finder or iTunes, select Update, and keep the iPhone connected until the sequence finishes. Make sure not to interrupt power or network during the install phase for stability. After installation, go through the on-screen setup. Sign into your Apple ID, re-enable Face ID or Touch ID if requested, and review any new permission prompts. Then confirm the version in Settings, General, About, and update your apps from the App Store to avoid compatibility issues. If the update fails or the device is stuck, free up additional storage, restart the phone, and try again on stable Wi-Fi. If problems persist, connect to a computer and use Recovery or Restore mode as a targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.